2, 3.
Reggae Hotspot up and live. Alright, so today, August 8th, we're coming to you live from 8962 165th Street, Jamaica Avenue, Queens. As me say, the baddest black in the whole of Queens. You know what I mean? And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I mean, if you like the content of the video, if you have something interesting to say, if you find it interesting, you just give it a thumbs up. You know what I mean? It don't really cost nothing while you watch it, you just thumbs it up. You know what I mean? So right now, as we always say, we have a lot of things, we ship out a lot of things, and we have a lot of juice. And today we have these people, big, bad, sour sap. You understand me I say? So now, this sour sap, it have no milk. You understand me I say? Pure, natural sour sap. And we have a friend here, she always come. And I say, I'm going to catch her up on the video.
Extremely good customer.
It's not like she go just buy the sour sap for drink it. It's not like she just buy the sour sap for bring it down the block. She go buy the sour sap and ship it out. Right?
Correct.
Correct.
Right for mama?
The people in where they ship this WhatsApp right now.
I'm sending this to Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Yes.
You hear that? So
Yes.
this WhatsApp come right from here. In the back, it not pull, it not go spoil, it not have no milk, no preservatives, no additives anywhere in the United States or we can ship this source up to you and other juices as well. So we just use the opportunity because she are going to ship it out right now.
Yes.
You know what I mean? We not even did plan to do a video or anything like that, but we just are showing you say source up is here. If you want it, we can ship it right to your doorstep. Next day delivery up and running. You understand? So what you say, source up?
And tell them what else you bought. You purchased one more item.
Yes, to Atlanta. It's
No,
going
but
to the A.
I know, but
food
you
to the
purchased
source,
something
right?
else along with the sour sap. What else did you purchase?
Yes, I got some good porridge.
Where your porridge?
Yeah, my porridge is over there. It's looking nice.
Yeah,
Yes,
That's alright.
looking
My girl
nice.
get a porridge in the morning.
Yes.
So you see, we have everything going. We have food going, we have juice going, and we have all of that going. But apart from all of that, today we are going to tell them about a movie where enough people not catch. You understand what I say? Like the movie named Black Panther. So now worry yourself, baby. You can bag up your source up. I go bag up your source up for you
Alright.
and everything. You know what I mean? And you go nice and good.
Yes.
But I'm going to tell the people them something about the Black. You watch Black Panther movie?
A little bit.
You watch it a little bit. Alright. You have some people who watch Black Panther 1 time, 2 time, 3
Three
time,
time,
4
4,
time.
yes.
Yeah. It's an extremely good movie and black people support it because it's a black movie.
Yes.
A lot of black people in the movie and everybody act good. Everybody play them role. But sometimes I wonder if people really catch the importance of the movie.
Yes.
You understand? Because a lot of times we go to the movie and we catch the action and we catch the drama and we catch all of that. But sometimes we don't really catch the full knowledge of what is inside the movie.
Yes.
So today now we are going to try to tell the people them exactly what they go on in a Black Panther from my perspective. That is. It's not that I know what's really happening or the intention of these people who make the movie. But from what I've observed, I'm going to make an attempt to tell you exactly what I've observed in the movie. Because as we all know, Black Panther is a movie where the Wakanda is the most important part in the movie.
Yes.
Because Wakanda is this hidden city in the middle of plain sight. So it's hidden right in front of you and you cannot see it because it has this invincible shield over it. And that is like high technology. That is not technology where there is just average technology like a camera or a cell phone or whatever. That has to be like extremely high technology, and this technology is owned by black people. You understand? This invincible technology where you can be in the middle of somewhere and you cannot be seen by anyone. Right? Big technology, right?
Yes.
Alright. Apart from that technology, them have the flying saucers where we call today flying saucers like UFO and stuff like that. We have flying saucers. And normally you hear that flying saucers come from space. Our flying saucers come from Mars. Our flying saucers come from all these places. But in the Wakanda movie, you have flying saucers, and these flying saucers is coming from Africa. They're not coming from any outer space, they're coming from Africa. And the evidence of that has been here because on the walls of the pyramid, them have submarine on the walls of the pyramid for anyone who follow history or follow Egyptian history, which is black people history. Because a lot of people don't know that Egypt is in the middle of Africa. They very skillfully talk about Egypt separate and Africa separate, as to make it think as if Egypt is not in Africa. So they talk about Africa by itself and Egypt by itself because they don't want black people to associate themselves with Africa. And if you start to associate yourself with Egypt and Egypt is in Africa, you will start to feel powerful within yourself. But as I was saying, on the walls of the pyramid, you have spacecraft and the drawings. You have submarines, you have helicopters, you have all of that. But what I'm trying to say is that these machines has been here before. You understand? And this earth by our people, because the evidence is there in the pyramids. Right? So when time them build the movie now, and you see in Wakanda them have these flying saucers, there's nothing fictitious, because it's our knowledge, it's our technology. You understand? Because as I said, in the walls of the pyramid, you can see all these things. Now, apart from all of that, you have everybody wearing the black suit and the whole heap of excitement and action and everything. And at one point in the movie, they make a suit for the guy. When name Jay? I don't remember when, but him at the star.
One eye power man, you know, the main man.
Yeah.
Remember,
so
you know talk.
They make a suit for him. And his sister made the suit.
Yes.
And his sister said that this suit, the more you hit it, is the more it absorbs the energy.
Right.
And then when you hit back the person, you let out the energy. So it's like you hit me 1,000 times and I absorb the energy 1,000 times.
Right.
And then now I'm letting out the energy 1,000 times.
Right.
But what I'm saying is, we born in this suit. We as black people,
Right.
we born in this suit. Because black people absorb energy, just as how we absorb energy from the sun, and we absorb energy from each other. You understand? So if you should try to annoy someone, that person will soak up all that energy and make a burst on you. So that's what they're trying to tell you.
Yes.
We don't have to put on any suit, because this is who we are. This is how powerful we are. We can absorb the energy from the planet or from the earth and from others around us, and then we can use it back. It's just that we don't know how to use the energy. We use it in a negative way.
Right.
Because we use the energy and kill each other, and we use the energy and fight each other,
Right.
and we use the energy to destroy and deteriorate each other. But what they are saying, that the suit that we in, which is this suit that we born in,
With the
you don't have
melanin.
to put on this suit.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
They dramatize it in a movie where you have to put on a suit. But now we born in this suit, where if you try to annoy us, or if we love something, we just soak up that love and we give it up back 1,000 times.
Yes.
You understand? If we get angry, we soak up that anger and we outburst it 1,000 times.
Right.
So because they know about us, they try to manipulate us using our energy. You understand? Because that's basically what they tell you in the movie. You know, you get black people can soak up the energy and they can release the energy. So it's really nothing to be say it's an action movie and this. You have to really think about it deeper than that.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's a lot of things in the movie, and as I said, these flying ships and whatever, they are in Africa. So they are telling you where the original technology comes from.
Where it
The
began.
original technology comes from Africa. The original technology now comes from Mars or Jupiter or Venus or anywhere out there.
Yeah.
You understand? The original technology is within our people. You know what I mean? But next part in the movie again, you can see that just as the Maroons in Jamaica, right? The Maroons in Jamaica, they signed a treaty with the British. And the treaty was that if any slaves should run away and come there, they should catch them and return them. In return for that, they will be free and they will be immune from warfare and everything. So the Maroons, they accept that treaty and they were not slaves. Now in Wakanda, it's the same thing that happens. Remember Wakanda, they say they have vibranium. And this vibranium now is so powerful.
Right.
You understand? This vibranium could take over the world. And vibranium to me means vibration. You know, vibranium, vibration. So they're telling that the vibranium is so powerful, right? And they have unlimited amount of this vibranium. Now I think vibration is what we have as a people.
Right.
And they just switch the vibration to vibranium. You understand? Because remember I say black people have a vibes. You ever hear say black people have vibes?
Yeah.
That means that we can dance and we can do all these
In connection to the energy.
extraordinary things.
Yeah.
You understand me? I said? So the vibranium is really vibration.
Right.
And that is why they have unlimited amount. Because the white guy in the movie was telling this this other white guy that no, this little thing, that's not it. They have unlimited amount.
Right. Wow.
Now they're talking to us. They're telling you that you have unlimited amount of this power if you know how to use it. You understand? So it's not vibranium, it's vibration. But in the movie now, the other guy that is not a part of Wakanda, that want to be king, because he is coming from the outside world and he has to fight the king there to take over, and he fight him, he beats him, and now he is going to be king, right? And he is telling the people that with all this technology, we could take over the world and free our people. You understand? Because the outside world don't have access to this technology, and we have unlimited amount of it. Because when they put the vibranium into weapon form, it's very dangerous. You understand? But what happened is the people in Wakanda, they say, no, let us stay where we are and leave the outside world. You understand? Just as how the Maroons in Jamaica with the slaves, they say, let us stay where we are instead of freeing the slaves on the plantation. Because the Maroons, they could have freed the slaves on the plantation, but they signed this treaty. So it's a possibility that on this earth that we live on, there's somewhere out there where our people are free. But they have signed a treaty with the outside world that prevents them from come and taking control. Or prevents us from going wherever this freedom is. You understand? But they really dramatize that in the movie and tell you in a psychological form that you're happy and you feel nice and all of that. Because the vibranium that they have there, they could win every war in the world. You understand? But the same people, they decided not to do it. Because they say, okay, well, if it's not a part of Wakanda, we don't care with you. Even though it's black people and black people. You understand? But they're always signing these treaties. You know what I mean? So, and at the end of the movie, when the war started between this guy who wanted to take over as king and when the other guy came back, you remember it was the white CIA guy in the movie that was flying the ships, right? In order to prevent the revolution from happening in Wakanda. So there's always one of these people infiltrating.
Look at the Blood Diamond. He was the white guy.
Yeah. In Blood Diamond.
Yep, it was. He's right.
Yeah, man. So, I mean, as I was saying still, it's just a little thing about the movie. You know what I mean? It's just a little thing about the movie where we think a lot of people they miss. I'm not trying to explain. I mean, among other things, there's a lot of other things in the movie where people miss still. You understand? But it's a big, I think these are big issues that you should watch over the movie.
Yeah, I'm going to watch it.
Watch over the movie and pay attention to these little things. You understand? Pay attention to the words they use, the language they use, and everything. You understand? So when you watch over the Black Panther movie, you pay attention to these things. Pay attention to the vibranium that they have unlimited amount, which, as I tell you before, is vibration. It's not anything about vibranium, it's vibration, and we have the vibration. We vibrate. If all of us stand up in here right now, it starts to get hot. Because we vibrate.
We have the melanin in our skin, man.
You understand? If I stand up in the sun, I start to change color. Not too many people can stand in the sun and change color. If they change color, they strip, I get more darker. You understand? If you stand in front of a fire right now, you don't get dark. But if you stand in front of the sun, you soak up the energy directly from the sun and it shows within you. You understand? That melanin. You know what I mean? So that's the vibration we have from the sun. We vibrate, and when time something vibrates, it heats up. You understand? You rub something together, it heats up. That means that there's a vibration within us that heats us up. You understand? It's not a vibranium, as they're trying to tell you about vibranium. And that is why they say they have unlimited amount. Unlimited, that means we have unlimited amount of this melanin. You understand? So I said, next time you watch the movie, you watch it over, you pay attention, pay close attention, because there's a lot of things to see. It's the first black movie that sell over $1 billion, and you need to watch it over because you need to pay close attention to what they're telling you about yourself. The problem is that they know something about you that you don't know about yourself. You understand? And that is why you're always under pressure from these people, because there's something about you. And what it is about you, you don't know. But the problem is someone else knows. If you know something about me that I don't know about myself, you're always jealous of me, right?
That's right, yeah.
And I'm wondering why we can't be friends. Because you know something about me that I don't know about myself. And you know that the day I know this thing about myself that you know, we're not equal anymore.
Right.
You understand? Yeah, so, you know what I mean? It's always important to pay attention. Don't go to the movie and laugh and clap and chat. No, go to it for the education. Because as we say, we always deal with education. So if this make any sense to you, give it a thumbs up We don't want to go too long and everything. I'm going to do a live video one day when we do like an hour straight, 2 hours, and we can talk about a lot of things.
Yeah.
We still don't want to go too deep because you don't know if you go too deep. You understand me? I say, yes, but yeah, pay attention, people. Remember, it's Reggae Hotspot coming to your live from 165. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you learn any little thing, if you pay attention to any little thing, just like it. Because when we have the time, we're going to do a lot of videos and we're going to make some sense and teach you some things. You understand? So, until next time, out again.
Give thanks.
Manners and respect.
Boom.
Thanks.
Yeah.